What the? Are you guys back for another install? Alright, let's go. What's up, guys? Welcome back for another install. Today we have another mod for the SI. Come a little closer, we'll show you guys.
So, as you guys know, there's reflectors on the back bumper of the SI. So we're switching them up with some LED reflectors that can work with the tail lights, brake light, turn signal.
So he's talking about these right here. These are pretty much just reflectors, they don't do anything. So with those, he's gonna be able to hook up his tail lights to them, so he can have, what are gonna be like, your turn signals and all that? Turn signals, brake light.
This would do.
Boom, he's got the whole thing going on right here. LEDs, modules, and
some
just
tools you might need. We have never taken those out, so we're just thinking they're gonna be little tabs right here. But I know for a fact there's 2 screws here and you just pop the thing open, so we're just assuming there's just tabs and it just pops right out. So we'll see what happens. There hasn't been a video like this. I looked on YouTube. But shout out to CorsoMotion for the hookup on these nights. So if you need any lighting work, hit them up. We'll put the link somewhere down below.
down below, bro.
Yeah, down below.
Down below, right there. So right next to the subscribe button. Make sure to hit that. Boom.
On your way down there. So we're gonna start on this, and hopefully it doesn't take us a while. All right, guys. So first things first, we gotta jack up the rear of the car so we can look under here. I noticed when we were doing the mud flap, I can see the tabs. So we're just gonna jack it up and then start looking under and see if we can remove.
See if we can take this whole thing out. That would
And
be easier.
we'll give you guys an update in a bit.
Alright, so this is the underside of the car, and we can tell right there that there's a Phillips screw right there, and then the tab, and then there's another Phillips up here. I'm guessing that's all that's holding the little reflector. So we're gonna go ahead and take those off and see what happens. So it's actually a little bit more complicated than we thought. So it's the 2 screws, and then there's a little tab right there, and then you got to do all the other tabs along the side. You can see another one up there. There's a bunch of them just around the whole thing, and you get the whole piece out.
There it is. So start working on it, bro.
Ta-da!
Alright, so to take off the reflector is pretty simple. There's a little tab right here. Just press it down and push, and voila, it pops right off. Even has the holes for the wiring. Honda thought of everything. So we're gonna do this one, then we're gonna work on that one. But not to worry, guys, we're just gonna show you one. Alright, so we got the new one. We're gonna put it in here, run the wire through first, and then just, plug and play. Well, not really, because you have to splice the wire, connect it to the module, and then figure out the tail light. So run the wire, the little hole right there we see, just run it.
Oh, wrong side, buddy.
Damn, that's what happens when you're excited. No, okay, I'm not excited, but
Oh,
after
we can tell, bro.
everyone. Oh, this guy. Carrying him at work today wasn't fun.
Oh, not this finesse again.
Alright, so got the wrong side, that didn't fit. So now we're doing it pretty much the same thing. There you go.
Alright, quick little update. So we're having issues getting this on there because every time we would try to put it on there, it would block the hole where it would screw onto. So what we're gonna do is just make another hole for the wires to be able to run through, and we should be good after that. Alright, here we go. Try number 2. Put the wires through the hole you just made.
Oh, we got it!
Yes, got it. There we go. Once you hear the click, should be good to go.
Alright, so now that we have that issue fixed, we're gonna remove the tail light. So what you wanna do is Phillips 1, 2, then you grab it, pull on it, and it should come right off. See? Boom. It came right off, and then There's all the wires, so we're gonna figure out what goes to what with the module, and then we should be good.
So pretty much what you have to do when you take out the tail light, you're gonna want to figure out which one's your turn signal and which one's your brake light. And then we found out that the green plug right here, that's our turn signal, and then the blue plug back here, that's our brake light. So we're gonna have to kind of splice into those, and what we're gonna use are these quick splices. That way make a cleaner job and easier. That way you're not trying to strip the wires back here. You can just use these real quick.
Alright bro, tell me what you did.
Alright, so we kind of tested it before we got all the wires hooked up. We found out that the white on this one, on the module, goes to the white on the green plug, and the yellow goes on the black, just how we had said earlier. But we're kind of trying to test it out with just these two, and it wouldn't work because we needed all of them hooked up at the same time. And then we also found out that this black goes to this black on the blue plug, and then the red goes to the white. So after you do that, you should be pretty solid. Alright, so we got already our connections hooked up. Those right there, and then those back there. Now we're just gonna run the extra wires down through the little groove right there, little hole. That way we can connect it through the bottom with these. But then, yep, that's all you do. Just run the cable, and then, dude, you gotta find somewhere to put that.
I know, but
Find somewhere to put the little module, and then close your tail lights back up.
alright, so now we're gonna run this cable to this big hole, so then we can, you know, connect it together. Because, you know, running them. There. It's back on, so now we're gonna figure out this down there, and then
We'll show you guys.
It'll be done for this side. So I need to do the other side.
Alright, we got everything buttoned up. There's your brake light. And there's your turn signal. Turn signal, boom. Perfect. It all looks to be working fine. Everything's already screwed in there. Should be pretty solid. Now we just gotta do the next side, and then we'll be right back. Oh, those are the brake lights. Now do your turn signals.
I can, that's the car's on. Hold up.
Do the other one. Oh, we're solid. And that's gonna do it for today's install. Quick little, not that quick install, but took us like 3 hours, 4 hours for something.
Trial and error.
For something that should have been like half an hour.
Yeah.
But it is what it is. We got it done. That's it. That's it. It's cold out here, so we're gonna call it a day. Peace out, and always keep improving.